Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, so this is part 2 of our St. Patrick's dinner, and I'm going to be boiling the white potatoes and the turnips on the stove with some cranberries and onions. I have the carrots already cut up and boiling in the pressure cooker, and I'll join the carrots in with the other items later. After the onions and white pepper and turnips finish cooking, then we're going to incorporate the cabbage. Okay? Alright, so let's do this part 2. Thanks. Thumbs up. Come on, give it a thumbs up. Share the video and subscribe. This is for your St. Patrick's celebration. Yay! Alright. Okay, so here we have 4 ounces of water and a quarter of a stick of butter. Okay, so now let's add our potatoes. Let me pour this water off. This is 4 medium-sized white potatoes. Let's put that in. And so I'm not putting a lot of water, just enough to cover the bottom to make steam. So that's why I put the 4 ounces. And this is the yellow turnips that we're going to be using. It's frozen. Now if you have the fresh turnips, you can go ahead and do that. And when you get it peeled and cut up, then you can follow these instructions. Okay, so that's what we're looking like. Now let's incorporate some cranberries. This is dried cranberries for color and sweetness. And some onions. Okay, so I'm going to put the top on this, and we're going to let this boil until the potatoes and the turnips are tender. Thank you. And we have 11 minutes left on our carrots that's in the pressure cooker. Okay? Alright, let me come right back with the word of the day. The word of the day. The word of the day is help. Help. Help can come in many forms. You know, maybe you'll help someone by listening. Be a listening ear. Maybe you can help someone by helping them financially. Maybe you can help someone by giving a word of advice. Maybe you can help someone by being supportive, caring, sharing. All of those things you can do to help, right? And what do you want in return? You absolutely want help. Maybe not from the person that you gave help to, but help from someone. Because all of us need help from time to time. Do you need help? Okay, help someone, and help is coming your way as well. That's the word of the day. Help. Okay, so turnips and white potatoes with the onions and cranberries is done. That was about, I'd say, maybe 20 minutes. Alright, so now I want to season everything. So we're going to start out with the potatoes. So I want to put some garlic. There we go. Garlic on the potatoes. And I want to put some lemon and pepper on the turnips. And some black pepper on the potatoes. Okay. Now I just want to mix up just a little, not too much, because we don't want to break nothing up. We want everything to stay whole. Okay. So now I want to plate it up. So I'm going to have the potatoes on one end, then the carrots that I cooked in the pressure cooker. If you don't have a pressure cooker, just boil your carrots. Okay, now we're going to have our turnips. I do want to put a little honey on the turnips. You know, turnips, it can be a little bitter. So this will give it a little glaze and elevate the taste. Okay, now we want to get our carrots. Okay, this is the carrots that was cooking in the pressure cooker. I'm pouring the water off. Okay, now let's season the carrots. I'm going to again use the lemon and pepper, and I'm going to put a little olive oil on the carrots. Let's stir that up. Want those carrots right in the middle. Okay. Now let's drop some butter. Right on the top of everything. We don't have to put it on the carrots because we put olive oil on the carrots. Okay, and let me come right back and show you that. Okay guys, here's our boiled turnip, carrots, and potatoes to go with our St. Patrick's meal. How about that, huh? So I'm going to show you this and I'm going to taste it, and then you're going to see this again when I complete the meal, okay? So this is part 2, remember. But I do want to read to you the definition of St. Patrick's Day. Let me adjust the camera. Okay, so I'm going to read you the definition of St. Patrick's Day. So it's talking about the feast of St. Patrick's Day, and it says, the day commemorating St. Patrick and the arrival of Christianity in Ireland, and celebrating the heritage and culture of the Irish in general. Alright, so we are celebrating the heritage of the Irish today because we are definitely celebrating St. Patrick's Day, and this is just for you. And you don't have to be you don't have to be Irish to celebrate it because we're all one. So join me in celebrating St. Patrick's Day, okay? Alright, so this is our boiled potatoes, carrots, and turnips. And now we're going to finish up our meal, okay? Thanks. Oh, give it a thumbs up. Come on, do it for the holiday. Do it for me. Do it for you. You can go ahead and give a thumbs up now. Share the video and subscribe, okay? Thanks. Oh, one more thing I got to add to the mix is the cabbage. I didn't want to put the cabbage in the frying pan with the potatoes and the turnips because I wanted the cabbage to have its own distinct taste. So I'm going to actually cook that and come back with that. Okay? Thanks. Before I go on to the cabbage, let me taste for you. I always like to let you know how it tastes. So I have the carrots and the turnips here. I like the idea that the turnips don't have that bitter taste to it. So that worked with a little sweetness in terms of the cranberries and the honey. I like that. And the potato with the onion. The potato still has some firmness to it. That's why I only put a little bit of water at the bottom. You don't want to saturate the whole thing with water, okay? Okay. So let's continue on the next video. I'm going to end this video because I don't want it too long for you. And I'm going to come back with another video with the cabbage. Alright? Okay, be right back. Okay, I just wanted to say bye to everyone and happy St. Patrick's Day if I don't get to talk to you on St. Patrick's Day. Okay.